Well, hello there everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and it is time to get cooking. And today I'm making one of my very favorites. I'm making barbecued meatballs, and this recipe came from my mother-in-law. And I have to say, I have asked her to make these for me a lot over the years. They are just so good. I just love them. They have like a sweet and tangy barbecue sauce that goes over the meatballs. Oh, they're just delicious. They're easy to make. They don't use that many ingredients. So I'm so excited to share this recipe with you. So let me go over these ingredients and show you just how to make them. You will need 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of chopped onion, 3/4 cup of oats. Then you'll need some salt and pepper. Then to make the barbecue sauce, you'll need 1 cup of ketchup, 1/2 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. So I'm just going to add my oats and my chopped onion. And I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And then the milk. All right, and then I'm just gonna mix this all up. So I'm using a large scoop, but you don't have to do that. You can just use your hands. I'm just forming them in the shape of a ball. All right, to a bowl, I'm going to combine all these other ingredients to make my sauce. So I've got the ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, and water. Pour the sauce over the meatballs. And then bake them uncovered in a 350-degree oven for 1 hour. Look at these meatballs. Oh, yum. I like to put a little bit more sauce on my meatballs. Yeah. The thing I love about these meatballs is they're so nice and tender and moist. They are not like a hard meatball. Yeah, they're so good. They like melt in your mouth. Well, I hope that you guys give these a try because I know that you will love them. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.